going to go right up the stairs. So I need to stay fit for all my girlfriends. Today I am looking over the brands that my assistant found from Dubai. There are jewelry brands.
Hey man, how you doing? Good, and you? Yeah, good. Cappuccino. Hey dude, how are you?
What's up?
Right, Hazel, what did you do?
So I'm just talking with some brands for our new project about the cafe racer bikes, and then I make the treatment where it's a dossier where I explain the project we wanna make.
Right guys, we're on Barcelona Beach and we're shooting with my two friends who we met in Hush Coffee Shop earlier today.
Yo, we're in Barcelona shooting with Vegeta.
So what Thomas and his girlfriend did in advance was create a mood board. So what they did is they went onto Instagram and they found their favourite images online, and they used those pictures as inspiration for this shoot. They can show the collage to the models. Rather than you trying to explain to them what you want, it's much better to visually show it to them. We've got Brian, who's a producer, with all the bags.
You're not even awake. You're like sleeping right now.
I'm working.
Joto's working.
Brian, what's Solum Productions up to today?
Shooting with a fashion photographer behind the scenes, and we're creating her brand image. I'm doing well.
Yeah. Thomas, how's it going?
Just relax.
Okay, so we've moved over to the shore. The tide is pretty high today, a lot higher than normal, and there's actually quite a lot of waves as well. And for the first time in Barcelona, it's actually freezing cold to get into the water. Just stepped on a sea urchin. Okay, so I'm walking back to our producer Brian, who's busy working hard as always. Say hello, Brian.
I'm watching this stuff. No way. I'm sitting down getting fat. Looking at these bottles makes me think I'm getting fat.
No ties, no price.
It's a beautiful day here in Barcelona.
No need, so free.
Hello.
I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time, I don't care. Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, well done everyone, high five.
I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to get into us.
Great job guys.
All I need is your time, devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance. Nothing more, nothing less from you.